Hello, my name is Olivia Lombeta and I'm from 4F class of language education. Today I would like to present my semester review of the TEFL course, and I will start from the very first material, that is about 21st century learning and deep learning. Okay, let's start. So, this concept, that is 21st century learning and deep learning, focus on preparing students for the modern life by developing the 4C, that is communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. Okay. From this topic, I learned that English teachers should not only should not only teach the language, that is grammar, pronunciation, and etc., but also help the students develop essential life skills. We also learn about direct instruction. It is a teacher-centered approach in which teacher the concept, explain concept directly and provide clear instruction to the students. From this material, I learned that this approach is useful. It's useful when the teacher want to introducing a new knowledge or skill that require step-by-step explanation. The next one is about the group work. Yeah, group work is actually it's about a learning activity. Yeah, learning activity where the students work together in a small group to complete the task or achieve the learning goals. This approach can increase student participations and encourage communication among all of the learners. Next is about differentiate instruction. I think it's very important. One of important material in our course, that is differentiated instruction. This it is an approach actually. It is an approach that adapt teaching materials, method, learning activity to the student who have different ability and different learning need. Yeah, this topic taught me that effective teachers should recognize their own students or recognize the learners' diversity and provide equal learning opportunity for all of the students. Okay, next is about literature-based learning. This approach, yeah, it is an approach that uses literature text that such as poem, novels, stories, and etc. for the learning materials. So, from this approach, I learned that literature can also improve language skills while support the students' imagination, cultural awareness, and the critical thinking also. We also learn about cooperative learning. Yeah, it is an approach where the students work together and help or support one another in achieving a common learning objective. This approach helps the students improve both academic achievement and the social interaction skill. Next is about inquiry-based learning. It is focused on exploring, investigating, and discover information independently. So the students find the information by themselves. Okay, this approach, the students through this approach, the students become more active learners and develop their critical thinking skills. Next, another topic about problem-based learning. Problem-based learning, it is approach use real-life context or problem as the starting problem of the learning. So I learned from this material that students can develop their problem-solving ability while applying their knowledge in the meaningful situations. That's it. Next is about the project-based learning. There's two different things, right? Problem and project. Okay. Next, project-based learning allows students to learn completing project over a period of times. This approach promote creativity, collaboration, responsibility, and deep understanding of the learning concept. Yeah. Next is concept or content. Yeah. Next is about the innovative strategy for teaching listening. Yeah, listening is the ability to understand the spoken language, right? And the teachers need engaging activity to help the students improve their listening comprehension. Okay, the first one is about listening. Next is about the speaking. Okay, speaking refers to ability to communicate ideas orally. From this topic, I learned that the students need opportunity to practice speaking in meaningful and interactive situations. Okay, after listening, speaking, now it's reading. Reading is the process of understanding or scanning. Yeah, scanning the writing text. I learned that the teacher should use appropriate appropriate strategy to help the student comprehend, analyze, and respond to what they read. Next is about writing, because we already listening, speaking, reading. The last one is about writing. Writing is the ability to express ideas, the student idea, in written form. This topic taught me that the students need guidance and practice to organize their thoughts and communicate effectively through writing, also not only by speaking. Okay, and the last one is about the integrated skill. This approach combines the listening, speaking, reading, and writing in one learning activity. Yeah, in very only one learning activity, because these skills naturally work together in real communications. And from this topic, I learned that integrating language skills can make learning more authentic and another and very meaningful. Yeah. Among all of this topic, that the most important experience I gained from TEFL class was learning different teaching approach and strategies and the demo teaching. Yeah, I realized that there is no single method that works for every classroom situations. A good teacher should be flexible. Yeah, should be flexible and choose the most uh, approach based on students' need or the classroom situations and the learning objective too. In addition, I developed important skills such as lesson planning, classroom communications, collaboration, critical thinking, and activity design. Yeah, that is the very first, the very meaningful. I think it is joyful also. These skills will help me become a more effective and professional English teacher in the future. I think maybe that's all about my semester review. Thank you for watching.